Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Sundas here. Today's video is really close to my heart. So back in 2022 I read A Thousand Splendid Suns, and that book literally changed everything for me. It opened up a new world, a new kind of emotion I had never experienced through fiction. Since then, I have slowly built a little collection full of books that broke me, healed me, and stayed with me. So for this summer, I wanted to share a few of those books with you. Reads that are perfect for slow afternoons, deep thinking, or even emotional escapes. So this is my Summer Reads 2025, a mix of fiction, literally gems, and a story that I will never forget. So the next book is The Kite Runner by Khaled Hosseini, another masterpiece by Hosseini, for you 1,000 times over. The friendship, guilt, betrayal. It shook me. Definitely one of my top 5, and I would highly recommend this book to all the beginners, and it's a solid 5 on 5 book. And the next is Mountains Echoed by Khaled Hosseini. It's the book that I haven't read this one yet, but I know it's going to be very powerful, just like his other novels. I cannot wait to get into this. So the next is A House Without Windows by Nadia Hashemi, a gripping tale set in Afghanistan. This one is very emotional and intense. Women's stories, courage, and harsh realities all packed in one. So if you want a detailed video, detailed review, so you can go and watch on my channel. Next is It Ends With Us by Colleen Hoover. I hope I have pronounced it right. So it was the first romance novel that I read back in 2023, I guess. So this book hits really hard. The story of Lily and Ryle is so raw. It explores toxic love in such a sensitive and real way. So again, it's a solid 5 on 5. So the next is It Starts With Us by Colleen Hoover, again a continuation Lily's journey. So the next is Reminders of Him. मैंने इसके भी 2-3 चैप्टर पढ़े थे. Maybe I lost interest or I got busy, but I can already feel it's going to be very emotional. I'll update once I'll finish. Next, again by Colleen Hoover, Lela. I haven't read this one, but curious to know how it blends paranormal. The next is with romance. Really close to my heart, and this book is one of my absolute favorite. This is The Stationery Shop by Marjan Kamali, and it has that beautiful old-timey Iran vibes, full of poetry, love, and nostalgia, warm and emotional. So I would highly recommend this one again to the beginners, and it's a solid 5 on 5 book. The next is Things We Never Got Over, and I am judging this one by its cover. It is so Pinteresty, and I have a very high hopes with this book. I don't know why, and I have heard a lot about this one, and I cannot wait to dive in. The next is Verity by Colleen Hoover. This one is dark, twisted, and unputdownable. Totally different vibe from her other books. Suspense lovers will enjoy. So this one is The Silent Patient. This one was a total page turner. I was hooked till the very last page, and a thrilling psychological read. One of Us Is Lying again, it's a solid 5 on 5 book. I am currently reading this book and reading this right now, and it keeping me hooked. A high school murder mystery with fast-paced drama. So I don't know कि ये आगे क्या होने वाला है इस बुक के अंदर, but बहुत जल्दी पढ़ रही हूँ इसको. I hope once I'll finish this and I'll update you guys on this one. Before the Coffee Gets Cold, it's a magical realism. I started this one with the very high expectations, but it's sweet and reflective. अच्छा, इसके बाद जो है वो सेल्फ हेल्प बुक है. ये मेरी पहली सेल्फ हेल्प बुक है जो मैंने खुद से खरीदी है, and I haven't read this one yet, but heard a lot about this one, that it's a life changing, especially for how we view money. So I don't know, पढ़ के बताऊंगी कि ये कैसी है. Again, 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. ये book, this is not mine, भाई की थी, and very old book, but I have heard that it's a classic full of powerful mindset shifts and timeless advice. A little dense, but I guess it will be worth it. So lastly, books that have been my biggest comfort since 2022. Some made me cry, some made me think, and others just keep me company on a quiet nights. And if you have read any of these, comment down below your favorite. And if not, I hope this gave you a few new titles to add to your list. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.